So, where does creativity come from? Sometimes you get into the flow state, divine inspiration, and sometimes you're stuck. You know, and often, and maybe you know this, you create something and you actually don't know where that idea or inspiration came from. So what's going on? Allegedly, Michael Jackson once said, "I have to stay awake at night because there's an angel coming, whispering new songs in my ear. And if I'm asleep, the angel might give the songs to Prince." And Bob Dylan was asked where his inspiration for his songs came from. He just shook his head and said, "Man, I just write them." The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. That was sung so poorly that YouTube won't register as a copyright issue. The Romans and the Greeks all, I promise I won't bore you, all thought that creativity came from an outside source. The Romans called it having a genius. And then we humans shifted from having a genius to becoming the genius. We said, "I am a genius," not "I have a genius." You know, and the pressure of thinking you have to do this all by yourself is quite tough, yeah? My life has been turned upside down recently. You see, I have discovered how to communicate and build a relationship with what I believe is this creative force. I get messages, ideas and hints all the time now because of the way I communicate. And I'm nothing special. I believe we are all guided like this, but the force holds back a little because of your free will and wait for you to make the first move so that they really can inspire you. I would love to teach you what I have discovered when it comes to building this relationship, so that you can access this superpower, if you will, whenever you need it. Get your notebook ready. Ideas are gonna flow. See ya. The answer is blowing in the wind.